You've been taught to pitch. I'm telling you to pause. Why? Because people don't buy when they understand you. They buy when they feel understood. So if your sales conversations feel awkward, I got news for you. It's all on you. It's the pressure you're putting on yourself to perform. Stop that. You see, that awkwardness comes from trying to get something rather than give something. When you enter a conversation thinking, how can I win this? You lose the chance to connect. Right then and there, it's gone. But when you leave with genuine curiosity, everything changes. In simple words, sales conversations stop being awkward when they stop being all about you. It's that simple. What if the goal of every sales conversation you had was simply one thing? The truth, not the sale. That mindset shift changes everything. And I can assure you, you will identify opportunities you never saw before.